video. So today we are going to be talking about Bitcoin, Link, XRP, AVAX, DYDX, and Atom. I don't think we are going to be talking much about AVAX just because I have covered it in a different channel of mine, so you guys definitely do check that out if you would like to learn more about that coin. Although I know I have not done much TA on that specifically, I did only do Bitcoin today. I am a little bit busy and I do want to make time for all my channels and so that people will be able to get an update on where I am looking at, because I already did a BTC update on my other channel, so I do not mind doing an AVAX one on this one. Just let me know how you want things to go. Check out my other channel if you want to see my Bitcoin update. I can definitely leave a link in below if you guys would like to see that. I mean, other than that, I mean, of course, we will be moving on. Just give me a sec to change something real quick. Okay, so now taking a look at Link, we definitely have to start off with the bottom here. As it is looking in a buy position, price broke, came back in, test right around this area. It barely tested. I mean, it actually did have a test, I just did not fix my box properly. It did have a proper test, price came back. I guess that would be about 10-20% of price entry, so price did come out to the inside. And then if we get that specifically right there, as you can see, price did break through, so this still here would be your next box. Price back, came back in, test, which would make this mitigation your next entry point. From here till here, price broke, came back, no comeback yet, which would signify this as a big demand zone to definitely watch out for. And then, because of how price is moving here, maybe we'll probably start off with this high here. Although, to be fair, we are looking at a pretty much positive price movement, which definitely would signify otherwise. But so if we need to look for a possibility of because the problem with this coming down here, it does make it look like a selling position in terms of short-term trading. But if we look at, like, of course, price movement within the bigger time frame, it definitely is looking like an uptrend or a positive buy trend, which is why we are going to be staying out. I am not going to be marking out any possibilities because I just do not like how price is moving currently. I mean, we're definitely gonna have to start off with this low here. That's definitely how I look at it. And actually, as you can see, price already did break through, so we are going to be expecting a better mitigation. Like, that's already a decent one. We're gonna expect it to come down a little bit more. Hopefully it does, and then once it hits this good price, I am definitely gonna hop in a long trade to exit higher. Stop loss is gonna be right about this area, and that's about it for Link. That's definitely what I am looking at. If we take a look at XRP, XRP has had actually some crazy moves in this past month. It is moving arguably one of the more crazier coins. And I do not like how it is currently moving, which is why we are going to do a prediction. We're not going to do backtest. Backtest is just going to get real sketchy. But I mean, either way, we are going to take this big buy before this huge sell downwards. And with that specifically, we're going to wait for price to come out, and then this certain type of price movement, we can mark out the top and the bottom as well. We're going to make price come down here with a little bit entry point and price somewhere, something like that, definitely. Hoping that is exactly how price will be moving, and then after that we will definitely see where exactly price is going to go. But I mean, other than that, there really isn't much difference in where price is going to be moving. We are going to be moving on to DYDX. Alright, so with DYDX, this is also a little bit weird price movement, but no stress. We are going to be taking this buy before the big sell, which clear price movement. Price has to come back to mitigate with this line break. So price broke down to this area. We're going to expect price to come up a little bit higher, just so that we will be able to see some price mitigation points, and then only then will it shoot downwards, so that we will be able to continue with the price movement. With that, I guess there's only one price movement for DYDX, which is why we are going to be moving on to Atom to see exactly what is going on with Atom. Atom makes more sense. We can take this bottom price, and then price did break down, came back in for a retest right here. Actually, it's a little bit hard to see, but it did. Price broke, came back in, retest, shot upwards. Should make this your mitigation price. Price did break up, came back in for test, shot upwards again. And then of course after that it looks like a BOS, which is why we are going to be taking this box. And then I can mark out this line break specifically for you guys. Price did break through. Some of you might consider this a mitigation. Me personally, I am not going to be considering it a mitigation, so I am going to be expecting a price mitigation back inside, which we would like to call a retest, and only then will we be trading in any way where exactly price will be ending up. But in terms right now, price is not looking the best at all. So of course I hope you guys did enjoy this video. I'm sorry for a lot of the cuts in between and the pauses. There seems to be something wrong with actually my mic, and I do not want to edit it out because I do want a pure transparency, so that you guys do not see much cuts and me just making mistakes and going back to doing all that. So I hope you guys did of course enjoy this video. I will definitely be catching you guys in the next one. I will be uploading a lot nowadays. Of course, like and subscribe if you did enjoy.